NumPy array is not JSON serializable. After creating a NumPy array and saving it as a Django context variable, I received the following error when loading the web page. What does this mean?
I regularly JSONify np.arrays. Try using the toList method on the arrays first, like this. In order to unshonify the array use
Store as JSON a NumPy.array or any nested list composition. Will output to restore from JSON. Will output
I found the best solution if you have nested NumPy arrays in a dictionary. Thanks to this guy.
You can use pandas.
You